Hello my friends, it is Katie and welcome back to another clean and delicious video. Today in this video, we'll be making a strawberry banana smoothie. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you because it only contains 4 ingredients and it's super duper rich and creamy. And for those of you who saw my other chocolate peanut butter smoothie recipe video, thank you so much for all your kind comments and support. It really made me feel really good. And if you like this video, make sure you take some time to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave some comments down below for me. All you need for this smoothie are some fresh cut strawberries, 1 frozen banana, some plain Greek yogurt, and some milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use any type of milk that you like or prefer. And if you wanted to make this recipe vegan, make sure to choose a plant-based yogurt as well. Now really the only work you need to do for this smoothie is chop up your fresh strawberries and then you take everything else and put it in the blender and blend until it is rich and creamy. What I like to do is first put in my strawberries, then I'll add my banana, I'll then plop in some yogurt, and finally add the milk. And if you do not have fresh strawberries, you could use frozen strawberries, but if you do use frozen strawberries, just make sure that your bananas are not frozen. My brother and I like this smoothie just the way it is, but both of my parents like to add a little bit of vanilla protein powder. They say it keeps them feeling full longer. So, as always, you've got options. This is so cold and so creamy. You can really taste the strawberries and bananas as well. I think you guys are going to really love this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys like this smoothie recipe. Make sure you go down below to comment, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers! Happy dance!
Enjoy it.